Now I want you to imagine the roots of the plants and the nutrition in the soil. What if I told you that trees are able to communicate, share resources, and even share information, and do so using long strands of fungal threads in the soil? Just take a moment to let that sink in. Underneath the forest floor is an information superhighway, very similar to the internet. It's a complex web of signals constantly being passed back and forth. You could even think of these fungal threads in the soil as blood vessels and the trees as lungs. These hidden fungi in the soil have also been compared to the neurons in our brains. Okay, I hope you now feel centered and that I've aroused your curiosity. What I'm doing here is both introducing you to the learning content of this workshop and also getting your mind in an optimal state so you don't just learn but are primed to ideate, solve problems, and ultimately find a deeper connection to your values, leading you to meaningful, actionable change.